Welcome back to this video. If you use WhatsApp Business, consider to watch this video from beginning to end and see important settings you need to turn on right now in order to protect your WhatsApp Business account from being hacked. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are playing this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp Business. I'm going to click on here. Open up my WhatsApp Business. The next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to go to accounts. The next thing you need to do is to click on security notification. Then make sure you turn on this particular toggle. That's simple. So with this, once you turn on this particular security notification, no one will be able to hack your WhatsApp Business account. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial tips and tips on how to protect your WhatsApp, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.